So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today you join me on a behind the scenes for a video that I'm filming for Instagram, and behind me, I don't know if you can see it, I'll give you a bit of a preview. That's the car that we're filming. I'm going to be doing a reel, the ones that have been doing really well on my Instagram actually. I'm here at Sandal BMW in Wakefield, and yeah, I can just about see the car. I drove past it earlier. Look at that colour, that is mad. I saw the car on Instagram and I just had to come down and see it. So yeah, we're going to be taking that out today on a bit of a video shoot. I've got the GoPro and everything like that. Yeah, we'll get on with the shoot today. Well, that sounds so good. I don't know if you can see, but look at the colour. That's mental. Right, let's see what this looks like. I only wanted it there because the colour with the green and stuff looks so good. It looks so good on the move. Yeah. So spin the wheel that way, yeah, you're going to stop, straight back. Right, time to get some pictures. Oh god, that's a bit bright. Right, there should be a load of bees and stuff around here. Oh, they're going now. The colour looks so, it's so good. Repositioning the car to get some different shots because I wanted to get a shot with the sky and the building in it. And I can't actually see the screen. Getting in the bush. I'll have to try and just edit that out actually. The colour on camera looks like a Miami, you know, like a Porsche. Miami, like blue.
We put my eyes.
Right, let's test the 70 to 200 out. Oh, that looks sick. From what I can see here, yeah. Wow. That's mental. Right, last one, like this. Yow. Right, I just need to go further back. Yeah, so we're turning it around. Got to look at that colour. In the sun especially, that looks so good. Right, some shots from the back. Let's see how these look. It's looking mad. Come on, car. Right, done. So I've just come inside now to have a little look around the showroom, see what they've got in, and I've just been told that this is the new 3 Series, the 340i. And let me show you the screen, because this is a big feature of it. Look at the size of that. That's huge. It's got all the carbon fibre, and it's not that sunny at the moment, but it is. You can't really see it too well on this one, but this one might look like a standard grey, but I'll have to wait till the sun comes back out, because this in the sun, it sort of goes a champagne-y gold spec colour, which looks so good. Don't know how well you can see it. No, you can't really see it, to be honest. Oh, that's annoying. As soon as the sun goes in is when I want it out. But yeah, you get the idea. And then we've got my absolute favourite outside M5 competition in, I think it's San Marino blue, this colour. And this is exactly how I would spec it. White and black interior. This oh, look at it. It's so good. Although, I would put carbon on here and then carbon on the back. It's got the carbon roof, but yeah, I'd ideally like a little bit more carbon on everything, but yeah. Favourite. Yeah, there's some nice stock here at the Sandal BMW, and the car is just over there that we took out. So yeah, we've just finished. I'm really looking forward to editing all the footage and stuff that we got from today. Really nice location. The weather were really good as well. I don't usually like filming in sun, but it kind of came out nice. Oh, and a X6M there. Another one of my favourites. Yeah, look at that, that's big. But it's been properly used. Like, look at the wheels. And all the, like, it looks like salt. To be fair, cars when they're used look quite like, yeah, look at that. That is huge. But yeah, like I was saying, got some nice footage and everything, and yeah, the car, just with the background and everything, I'm gonna go over to it again so you can see. But look at that. The colour, I've never, ever seen a colour like this before, especially on it. Like when I was taking the photos, it kind of looked like a Miami blue, the Porsche colour. But yeah, thank you again to the guys at Sandal for letting me take the car out to get as much content as possible on it, and you will be seeing the reel very, very shortly. Well, I'll probably post this before the video goes live, so yeah, be sure to check out my Instagram at lukem.media, which is actually on the side of my car, just as we're speaking about it. But yeah, no, it's been really good, I've really enjoyed it, and yeah, let's go home and get all the content edited. So yeah, thank you for watching, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and check out the Instagram video, because that's the main reason that we took the car out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.
Walk around with my chain loose.